Hey everybody, Dave and Val here from OdoBan. We just wanted to check in with you guys and give you an update on how OdoBan is dealing with this crisis. Now, as you can see, Val and I are both working from home today. Good morning, Val. How are things down there in Perry this morning?
Good morning, Dave. Good morning, everybody. We're doing fine here in Perry. We're trying to stay healthy and active and just, plugging right along. And I know I sure miss my coworkers, though.
Yeah, this has been a tough transition for those of us that can work from home. The world's kind of turned upside down right now. But there have been a few bright spots. Just this week, we did a neighborhood safari here in our neighborhood, put stuffed animals up in the windows, and that way the kids could get out with their parents, ride around, and hunt the stuffed animals, give them a little something different, give them a bright spot for their day. Have you guys picked up on anything that's made you hopeful?
One thing that really stuck out for me was I just love to see how local businesses are thinking outside the box to help our local healthcare workers.
Yeah.
For example, there was an insurance company here who had promotional ponchos, rain ponchos with their logos on it that were handouts. And they boxed all those up and they took them to the local hospitals here just to give an extra layer of protection, to the workers' scrubs. And I just thought that was just awesome.
Yeah, it has really been neat to see everybody figure out new and different ways to pull together and help out the people that are on the front lines. Now, how about you guys out there? Have you seen something that's given you a spark of hope in these days? And if you have, share it in the comments because heaven knows we could all use a little hope right now. Now, speaking of comments, the one thing that we have gotten more than anything else right now is, where's my OdoBan? Guys, we know shelves are empty a lot of the time when you go shopping right now. We are making more OdoBan now than we ever have, and more than we ever thought we could. In fact, we make a lot of products, but right now we're only making one thing, and that's disinfectant. We're making more now than we ever have, and we keep working on new ways to make more every day. Now, your question is, of course, when is it going to be in my store? Well, we don't really have a good answer for that because we ship our product to the retailers. They put it out on their stores, so we can't really tell you a date when it's going to be back. Just know that we are shipping as much as we can all the time right now. Now, the other thing we hear is every day. Now, the other thing I hear is, can we buy it directly from you? Unfortunately, no. We are built to ship entire truckloads out to these retailers. We don't really have a mechanism for you guys to buy it directly from our company. Now, I will say, if your local store, the place you normally buy, is out, check our website on the Where to Buy section. We have an updated list of retailers. Maybe there's somebody near you that sells it that you just didn't realize carried our product. So keep checking on that. Hopefully, we'll have a bottle back in your hand real soon.
Right. We're looking forward to being back in the office and in the studio with you guys. But in the meantime, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for our past videos and tips. Subscribe to our channel right now so that you will know when we will be back in the studio.
We'll be back soon. Until then, keep your family safe. You guys keep following those directions on the disinfectants. Make sure you're using them correctly. It's important to make sure they're effective and safe for you and your family. Now, until we see you again,
make life fresh.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching this episode of the Odo Show on YouTube.
And if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button so that you always have a notification of when we're on.
We're kicking out great cleaning content all the time. So until next time, make life fresh.